Hey guys, it's Paloma here, back again with another video, and as you can see from the title, today I'm going to be doing a hairstyle tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys 4 ways I style my hair when it's greasy. So we all tend to do our hair weekly or bi-weekly, whatever, and our hair does get greasy. So sometimes there's ways that we can style them, sometimes there's ways that there isn't, but I'm going to show you guys my personal ways that I style my hair when my hair is greasy, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video, guys. If you guys are interested in watching how I style my hair 4 ways, go ahead and keep on watching. Hey guys, so I wanted to talk to you guys about these vitamins really quick that I've been trying out. So these are called the Heartbreaker vitamins. They're honestly really good. They're shaped like a heart. Let me show you guys. These are actually shaped like a heart, which is very, very cute. So that's the vitamin. You take 2 vitamins a day and they're 15 calories each. They're for your hair, skin, and nails. They have biotin, folic acid, and vitamin A. These are so good. I've been trying them out for the past 2 weeks and I actually love them because I've taken vitamin pills before and I actually forget to take them. But with these, I'm always on point because they're so good. They're gummies, and like, why not? Your hair, skin, and nails. You want your hair to be beautiful. Your skin, your nails, like everything. You just want everything overall to be good. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to go ahead and try these out, just like I've been trying them out, go ahead and use my discount code below. I'll go ahead and put the website and everything. That way you guys can go ahead and find these. They're bomb. I do recommend them. And yeah, guys, go ahead and try these out. Heartbreaker gummies. Heartbreaker gummies for the win. It says make them boys cry. We're gonna make them boys cry with that popping skin, those popping nails, not popping hair, girl. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, my hair is really greasy right now. Like, it just looks gross right now, you know what I mean? Like, it's not fluffy, it's not nice, and whatever. So the first hairstyle I'm gonna show you guys, I think I'm gonna start with the half up, half down. And and this is the final look here. So I don't know, I like this hairstyle. It's something new, something that, you know, I just discovered, and I think it looks really nice. And look at it, the back I might have to straighten a little bit more, but if I put some dry shampoo on there, it's gonna look really nice and sleek. So yeah guys, this is the last look that I do when my hair is greasy. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope you guys will be back to watch more of my videos. Bye guys.